Hey guys, it's me again, EAS Raw, here to do the Q&A video. Yeah, I got every single question that I saw in the comics. Now I'm gonna start with the first question. Why is Mickey ever so creepy? Mickey is creepy. Well, people say it's creepy because of how he destroys stuff, buildings, likes to kill the young guns and stuff like that. Yeah. Who is your favorite member of the Young Guns or Young? Oh my god, that is so hard. Like all you guys are my favorite, okay? Oh my god, this is hard. I swear, this is a hard question. Oh my god, I will say Keenan Williams and Daniel O'Brien. Well, you guys are like my favorite members. Yeah, basically, yeah. Okay, what do you dislike the most? Okay, what I hate is pranks, okay? One reason I hate pranks is because one time I got pranked badly, and that just made me, that just upset me. I got pissed off a lot, and I just hate pranks. And I also hate when people are bullying this kid or another kid and stuff like that. I just hate bullies. That's what I hate or dislike. When will you get 400 subs? I'll get 400 subs if you guys subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Well, hopefully soon though. Hopefully. Do you play Angry Birds? No, I don't. I actually play Fortnite. What other game I play? I forgot. Minecraft sometimes. And yeah, I just like editing a lot. Are you in any relationship? Yes, I am. I'm dating this really, really beautiful girl. Okay? To be honest, yes. She's really adorable. And especially her adorable blue eyes. That I just feel like I'm special or something. Yeah, but yes, I am in a relationship. Sugar. Oh, honey. What console do you have? I have currently an Xbox One X. Yes. Okay. What made you want to do emergency broadcast? Okay. So ever since I was 10 years old, like last year, 3 years ago, I don't remember. I remember when emergency alert popped up in my phone. It was just cool. And then when it came up on TV, I just got an idea of making a video about that. So then that's what I did. Well, the first scenario turned out really bad. But then the third and the fourth, I started getting better at it. But now I'm really good at them. And yeah, the emergency alert system thing is just one of my favorite things. Okay, what place do you really want to visit? The place that I really want to visit, or the state I want to visit, is Oregon. So I can meet a special person there. Yeah, but that's really where I want to go right now. Probably for my next trip, I'll try to go there. So I could visit another state. I already visit New Mexico already, and Nevada and stuff like that. But yeah, I think I want to visit Oregon. Okay. Okay, this is the last question. Do you have a girl? Yes. Yes, I do. Okay, guys. Not to brag or anything, but she's hot ass. She's hot as shit, okay? She's like, okay? Just saying, okay? Yeah, that's basically all the questions. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, because Mickey Ever 2, the next chapter, is definitely coming soon. I'll say Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, okay? One of those days. No, not next week, but this Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. It's almost ready, okay? Yeah, that's basically all the questions I have, everyone. Peace out.